Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Today we're going to be doing another activity kind of like we did yesterday where we filled in the 120 chart with some missing numbers. Before that, I just want you to quickly look at this vocabulary, okay? Remember, ones are numbers 1 through 9. Tens are a group of 10 ones. So in 13 I have one group of 10 and 3 ones. Remember, pennies are worth how many? Pennies are worth 1. Okay, how many are dimes worth? Dimes are worth 10. Okay, so we count dimes by 10. We count dimes by 10. Okay, so if I have here, I have 2 dimes. I would say 10, 20. If I had 2 dimes and 2 pennies, I would say 10, 20, 21, 22. Okay, it's important that you go over that because that's going to be on your quiz. One more is where you add 1. Okay, or you can use your 120 chart. One less is where you take away 1, or you can use your 120 chart. 10 more, you are adding a group of 10, okay? 10 less, you are taking away a group of 10. Alright, so today's math activity. This is the first question you're going to answer for me. Cam filled in the first column of this 120 chart. Did he fill it in correctly? Well, let's look. So we start at 1. Remember, every time you go down, that's 10 more. So let's see if he counted by 10s correctly. So he added a 10. Good. Good. 41. 51. So we have 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51. 51 again? What should that be? What comes after 51? What do you think is 10 more than 51? That's right, it should be 61. 71, and then 81, 91, 101. Is that how you write 101? No. How do you write 101? That's right, at 101. 111. Is that 111? No. Can you help him fix that? How do you write 111? Good job. 111. So remember, when you're going down on the 120 chart, you're just adding 10 every time. Good job. Let's go on to the next one. Alright, on this one, Mr. Todd showed his class a 120 chart and said, "We are going to play hide and seek on the 120 chart again. I put some numbers on this chart, but this time you are going to write the numbers in the red squares." Alright, so I need you to look at this chart. You should have one in your packet, and you're going to see what numbers go on all of these squares that are filled in. Okay, so take a minute to figure out what numbers you need to put there. You might choose to count back, so you could start at 20 and count back. You might start at 1 and count forward. You might count back by 10s. It's up to you how you want to figure out what numbers go on these squares, okay? But you need to fill in these red squares. You can pause the video now and hit play when you're ready. Alright, this is the last page, okay? You're going to write the numbers that belong in these red squares on these 220 charts. I need you to be very, very careful, okay? These charts are a little different. You look, this one's the one that goes backwards. And this one might not stop at the same number, okay? So I need you to be very careful on these two. These two are tricky, but I know you can do it. You can count up, you can count back, you can count by 1s or 10s, whatever is easiest for you, okay? You're going to fill in the missing numbers. So the missing numbers that go in the red squares. If you have any questions about today's activities, reach out to your teacher. I hope you have a great Thursday. Bye.